KIOCL Limited, India's premier pelletizing and pig iron complex. KIOCL Limited, a flagship company under the Ministry of Steel, was established on 2nd April 1976 to mine, beneficiate and export iron ore concentrates from Kudremukh deposits. KIOCL is engaged in the production of iron oxide pellets and foundry-grade pig iron suitable for domestic as well as international markets. The raw material iron ore procured from Bellary region is transported through rail route to its captive railway marshalling yard at the New Mangalore port area. The ore received by rail and ships is stored in two covered storage sheds, each of 2 lakh tons capacity. The iron ore is conveyed to ball mills through silo and bunkers for screening through primary screens, grinding and filtration. Two of the 3 ball mills are operated at a time in a closed-circuit grinding. Each ball mill is maintained at 250 tons per hour feed rate. The ground slurry is then passed through derrick screens for finer separation and pumped to dewatering cyclones. The slurry is then pumped to 2 agitator tanks of 7,500 ton capacity each. The slurry is filtered through vacuum disc filters and also horizontal pressure filters to get filter cake of moisture 11% and 8.5 to 9.5% respectively. The filter cake thus produced is conveyed to the storage shed through a series of conveyors. The filtrate generated during the filtration process is sent to thickener for recovery of water used for various processes. The entire plant operations are controlled through computer control system at port facilities and pellet plant. Additives like bentonite, limestone and coke are ground at the given ratio or mixed with iron ore filter cakes. The mixed material is then conveyed to the day bins. Day bins will feed mixed material to boiling discs, which are inclined at 47 degrees with 7.5 meter diameter. The discs can produce 140 to 160 tons of green pellets per hour. These green balls are screened through primary roller screens and then double-decker roller screen to get correct size of 9 to 16 mm. Unsized pellets are sent back for processing. Correct sized green pellets are then fed to the furnace, which has a reaction area of 492 square meters. In the furnace, the pellets are gradually fired up to 1320 degrees Celsius to get the desired physical properties like CCS of about 250 kg per pellet. These pellets are screened for correct size before conveyed to the stockyard through conveyor system. The pellet stockyard can accommodate approximately 2.5 lakh tons. The pellets are loaded through mechanized loading system, which includes boom-type reclaimer and ship loader of the capacity of 6,000 tons per hour. A captive iron ore berth has been provided to handle ships of 65,000 dry-weight ton with loaded draught of 12.5 meter. With the provision of an exclusive berth, waiting time for ships is eliminated. KIOCL has installed captive power plant consisting of 3 diesel generator sets of 9.36 megawatt capacity each, using furnace oil as fuel at pellet plant, and 7 megawatt captive power plant at blast furnace unit, which uses surplus blast furnace gas. The pig iron complex was commissioned in February 2001 with an annual capacity for production of around 2.16 lakh tons of pig iron. Today, KIOCL is capable of producing pellets. The greenery in and around KIOCL plant is one of the major thrust areas. Greenery is well developed with regular plantations. Water sprinklers have been installed to contain dust. As a socially conscious corporate, KIOCL is actualizing the CSR projects, particularly in the area of education, drinking water, infrastructural needs, community development, women empowerment, public sanitation, and healthcare, etc. KIOCL, building the nation pellet by pellet.